What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Young Dub, man, coming at y'all with another video here. Y'all can see down on the ground here, this is my subwoofer box. She is half-ass painted at the moment because I'm staining her. But she's coming along, man. So y'all see I got a big gap in the middle. Got this stuff right here. This is some Tessa tape. I guess I should put that on the camera. This is some Tessa tape that I received earlier in the mail. I'll be wrapping everything under the dash, well, inside the dash, and probably the zero gauge wire, some of that stuff that's going under the car, I'll probably be wrapping it with that, along with some loom and things like a Tech Flex, basically everything to try to protect the wires and make sure, because I'm, like I said, y'all, everybody knows I'm in Omaha, Nebraska, so I'm trying to protect the stuff at all costs, basically. Once we get going through the winter time, I don't want to be dealing with all that nonsense, man, but main focus of this video here, I guess, is more or less the subwoofer enclosure. This is the back of it. I guess I don't know what color this is, man. It's colonial something. I picked it up because it kind of matches the wood that's in my car. Car's right there. Y'all, like I said, everybody knows I got a Malibu, another Malibu this year, so y'all see the DU beads in the tail lights, man. I try to be different, so I put the DU beads in them. But main focus of this video, like I said, is this thing right here. Hopefully, I'm doing this on my phone, so bear with me, man. But hopefully y'all can see that color. It's kind of, like I said, it's kind of like an orange, and I'm just, right now, it's just getting done. I probably put this coat on here maybe about 5 minutes ago, so I'm waiting for that to dry up. Fingers are covered in paint, so we just waiting, man. But like I said, I guess the main focus of this is the subwoofer box. I'll go around. That's the sides. The reason why all of this is blank right here, I got a plan for that, so hopefully that'll be coming soon, maybe this weekend. But let's get the front of her. The port is black. Once again, shout out to my guy Ken Scott. I've been shouting him out on Facebook. But y'all can see, I mean, the front is kind of dry, but I did just touch it a minute ago. It's still kind of tacky, so. But y'all see the box, man. Triple layer baffle on the front. Y'all see the bracelet in there. Blacked out port. She's tuned up, so we're going to get her running real soon here. I'll get this finished eventually to make sure that we get all that done, and trying to fit everything right now for the moment. Pull this open. I took some stuff out of my trunk and just tore that up basically so I could see how to fit these batteries. You know, I got the North Stars, got 2 of those, so I'm trying to figure out what to do with that. I mean, y'all know I got a sound dead and all of this and whatnot, but had to go get some of these nuts to put on these batteries. So I'm basically kind of working, like, you know, y'all know how it goes, man. It's all the process, so we'll get everything going sooner or later here. It just the main thing comes down to, for somebody like me, is time. So once I have time, I'll get all this stuff done, man. So all the updates on the channel, like I said, anything that I get, we'll do an update. Got some Tessa tape, so decided to do an update on that. Obviously, that ain't the main focal point. I guess the focal point of this video is the subwoofer box. But what's today? I think today is Wednesday. So as I said in the previous, it might have been a video right before this, we are at 500 subscribers. Shout out to everybody that subscribed to the channel. I certainly do appreciate it. I will be announcing the winner on Friday, this coming Friday. So yeah, so today's Wednesday, so that'll be 2 days from today. I'll announce the winner who won the contest, and I'll ship the dual amp inputs out on Saturday. So like I said, I'm pretty sure I'm going to work Saturday, but at least I'll get off early enough to the point to where I could either go to the post office or possibly FedEx or whoever to go ahead and ship those items out. So I'll leave my email in the video when I announce the winners. We'll get those out to you guys, and I think I might do a surprise giveaway as well. So like I've been telling people to stay tuned to the channel for some good news. I think I'm gonna, cause y'all know I got those extra GP audio dual amp inputs as well. So stay tuned to the channel. I'll probably do a surprise giveaway for those as well. If I decide to go ahead and go through with that, we'll get those out to that winner on Saturday as well, man. So just stay tuned to the channel. Y'all see the box? She's, I guess, orange. I don't know what color this is. Like I said, it's a colonial wood. I'm just waiting for it to cure and dry. But for right now, I'm going to go ahead and leave this thing alone and get to calling my insurance company, man. Y'all can't really, I guess y'all can see those scratches on the back of the bumper over there. The car got hit by a tree the other day, but I made it out luckily, man. My car, only reason why my car is this good, because my girlfriend, she has a Dodge Journey. Her car got completely crushed. So I'm about to hop on, file this insurance claim, and I got a pretty big dent on the roof of the car, man, but I'm not tripping right now, especially compared to the way my girl's car turned out. So I'll get everything moving forward. Hopefully this weekend, maybe I'll have time, or maybe I'll have the energy to get up and go ahead and start doing these the power runs in the car. Waiting on a battery from Sonic Electronics, and I'll get everything going there, man. So y'all know how I do it, man. It's your boy Young Dub. Any questions, comments, concerns, stay tuned. I'll definitely get back to anybody that comments on the video. I'll try to respond to everybody. We'll get this thing drying. Looks like the sun is about to go down over there, so sun's going down. I think it's warm enough for it to be out here to just dry. I'm gonna leave this thing out in the garage and just let it dry, and then when I get the stuff that's going to go across the top of this, I'll get that done hopefully over the weekend as well and finish staining it and go from there, man. So y'all know how I do it, man. It's your boy Young Dub. Any questions, comments, concerns, hit me up. I'll be announcing winners this coming Friday. Anything else, just let me know, man. I'll definitely holler back at you, man. It's your boy Young Dub. I'm out.